Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Prima Donna S espresso machine. Now for this machine we just give it a tune-up, keep cleaning around the grinder as well as cleaning replacing the full unit of the machine. Let's just locate it. Right here, this is the older unit of the machine. We also replaced the O-ring of the mechano valve, descale this machine and just give it a good deep cleaning around it. So starting with one standard coffee, we're gonna test out this machine, then we're gonna use the hot water and then the steam. And as you can see, nice steady flow coming out of the spouts. Good color as well. And it's in quantity. Hot water, as you can see, nice steady stream. Good flow coming out of the spout. At excellent temperature. And now for the steam. It's going to take a little bit for the thermoblock to get that temperature, but once it gets to temperature, the water pump will start pulsating, pushing water through the thermoblock and into the steam one. As you can see, nice steady steam coming out of the machine, excellent pressure. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Prima Donna working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.